Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to be a Squarespace designer. Whether you're dreaming of starting your own design business or just want to make beautiful websites for clients, this video is for you. I'll be covering everything from the skills you need, building a killer portfolio, and even some tips on pricing your services. So let's begin. Now, at this point, I assume that you already have your Squarespace account ready. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, because all you have to do is go to the official website. That is www.squarespace.com. And here all you have to do is click the Get Started button. You can get your free website trial today, no credit card required. Click that button and you would be forwarded in the selection area. You can choose from the popular design templates. Alright? Now, I leave the discretion to you, but of course, since we wanted to be a designer by choice here in Squarespace, we're looking for a portfolio because we are going to establish ourselves so that we can name or make a name in the Squarespace niche. All right, so you have all these options. And for now, I'm going to be choosing the Reflect or this Adri. If you wanted to test waters to see how responsive the template is in terms of the desktop view and the mobile view, if it's intuitive, you might want to click on the view demo site here. If you do that, you would be forwarded to the interface. You see? Now, it looks good, right? If you do, click the create a site like this. It's free trial. All you have to do is click this button right here. You would be forwarded now in this section. You can start with the design. You can choose sample color presets if you wanted. You see, you have all of these and you can be creative. Now, to get full access to more color presets and custom colors in your free trial, all you have to do is go back again on the templates. Hover back to the same template earlier. Now, you need to create your account. So you have these options. You can use your Google, your Apple, and with Facebook, even your business or working email. Once you have created your account, now, while it's loading, you have to realize you would be forwarded to the website builder or the editor. As you can see, it's gonna create a generic web page for you or a site. Now you can name your site, probably like this one for now. Click on continue, and of course you have everything you need to sell anything here, since it's gonna be a portfolio or designer. Now, I want you to make sure that you drive traffic to your site because you wanted to become a Squarespace designer. So you have to integrate all of these. All right, click that, and this is going to be the sample. You see the edit option here. That's going to be where you can add multiple options on your Squarespace site portfolio. You can click this because that's going to be the site title and logo. If you click that, there's going to be a pencil icon wherein you can edit the logo. You can upload a file. You can adjust the logo height if you want. Wait for it to load, and there goes your logo. All right, you can add elements such as social links, cart, account, and language switch, but you need to activate the multilingual site for that to happen. But for now, let's keep that. In the site styles, you have more options to play with. All right, you can go to themes, fonts, buttons, and forms. All right, so you have all these. You have the spacing. You can be creative. You're not limited with the tools. The animation, for example, it's going to be fade. You see that? You can opt in for the slide and click and flex. All right. Now, if you're happy with how your template looks, you might want to check how it's going to be responsive within the desktop layout. click the desktop view and click the mobile view if you're happy with that. All right. If you feel like it's intuitive, it's time to go and exit. This step is very important because you need to click the gear icon here on the bottom left corner and click on domains and email. Once you have saved this, you need to register and manage domains from Squarespace or other domain sellers. Why is that? Because to be part of the Squarespace Designer program, which is the Squarespace Circle, it's a partner program for creative professionals. Once we become a Squarespace designer, you might want to opt in for these because here you can build or contribute to 3 Squarespace websites to join. This is one of the prerequisites to be able to be part of the Squarespace Circle. It's very important because if you have 3 active Squarespace websites, you're eligible to join the program wherein you can get paid to new clients, you can earn commissions for bringing new clients to Squarespace, saving your subscription, extend your website trials, and of course, basically, you can sell templates here. We have a separate video on how to build Squarespace templates that you might want to check in our channel. Now, all you have to do is type in your email so Squarespace will notify once you are eligible. But again, remember that you need to have a 3 Squarespace website. All right, I'm gonna put in my email. For example, this one, I'm gonna click on forward, and of course, Squarespace will notify me if I'm eligible. Now, go back again to the domains and emails option earlier. From here, you have 2 options. You can get a domain if you don't have one, or click the second option, that is use a domain that you own. All right, but for now, I'm gonna choose the first one. Now, you can search for your own custom domain. In my case, I'm gonna type in deep laughs and press enter. You see, these are some of the options, and as you go along, the pricing differs from 14 to 20, so 70, 100, 40, and 70. All right, we're gonna choose the first one. Add it to cart. Now go to the cart. Click on the checkout option, and from here all you have to do is ensure your domain ownership is locked in the current price for the number of years. For example, this $14 and you opted for the 5 or 10 years, that is locked for the 10 years. It's going to be this amount. All you have to do is click on save and continue. You would be forwarded to the payment process, and once you have done that, they would give you a verification email saying that you do now own the deeplaughs.com. And again, you need 3 sites for you to be eligible to join the Squarespace Circle member. Okay, and if you click on the join circle today, all you have to do is fill in as much as information as you can. Your location. For example, I'm going to be located at American Samoa. How did you hear? It's going to be social media. Languages is going to be, for example, French. Best describes the work you do. That's going to be web design services because you are planning to be a Squarespace designer, right? Well, what service do you offer to clients? It's going to be brand and logo and design. How big is your team? We're a couple of individuals, or if you're just alone, you can do that. Now, all you have to do is click the I agree to the Squarespace, type in your website here, and then from here, click on the submit, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.